Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT King Kong 6 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So before we'll start, a quick disclaimer: I highly recommend to click in the link which is in the description box, because you will be transferred to our website where you can check all of the codes I'll present you today and learn more about them, read more, and many more tutorials regarding this device. Alright, so let's start. Let's open the dialer, tap on the keypad, and let's start with the shortest code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code you are provided with both email numbers and the serial number of this device. Let's tap on OK. And let me show you another code which should open the calendar information. It is *##225###. And there we've got the calendar info. So here we've got all the events which are gathered in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also be right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check them, check the events, because here they're grouped into particular sections. Let's go back and let me show you another code which should open the diagnostic mode. It is *##426###. And there we've got the diagnostic, so we can check the server, host port, time connected, and the signal level. We can tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can show advanced view. Just tap on it, tap on the status, and here we've got much more information. So for example, the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let's go back and let me show you the last code available in this device, which is *##4636###. And there we are in the testing mode, so we can check phone info, usage statistics, and Wi-Fi info. Let's start with the phone information. We can check the info just like the email number, data service, voice network type, or signal strength. Of course, you will be able to check this information if you will have your SIM inserted. I do not have one, that's why I cannot check it. Here we can run ping tests also, and tap on the three dots icon to enable data connection or view fixed dialing numbers. Let's go back and let's enter usage statistics, for example. Here we've got the list of all apps and kind of processes which are currently on this device. You can sort them by usage time, last time use, or app name, so everything will be displayed alphabetically. Up to you totally. And the Wi-Fi information, let's tap on it. We can check the API configuration and the status. Let me choose the status, for example. Let's refresh the stats, and here we've got the info just like the network state, SSID, or network ID. We can also run ping test here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.